And Freese launches one to left. Back is Ryan Braun at the wall, and there it goes. A 3-run home run for David Freese. Yeah! 4-0 Cardinals, and their hottest hitter comes through once again. Worst case scenario for Milwaukee. If the Cardinals don't finish it off here, he'll be the one to send them to the World Series, perhaps. As Furcal, deep left field, and that one is up and out of here. Rafael Furcal, surprising power from the right side. And the Cardinals get their run back. It is now 5-1. A 2-out bomb by Rafael Furcal.
That could have been the situation.
And that's with 1 inning. He struck out the side in the second.
No.
Pujols lines one deep to left, and there goes another home run. Albert Pujols goes deep, gets into the act. 6-4 St. Louis. The 6th home run of the ball game as Pujols belts his 2nd of this series.
When you watch Albert Pujols, when you throw that high pitch high in the strike zone,